Okay, so I just wanted to kind of show off my test bench. This is my first test bench, so I'm a little excited about it. I picked this test bench case, or whatever you call these things, housing. It's not really a housing, but I picked it up at Cyber Guys, and it's got the three fans up here, then two 120s on the side, and I've kind of got them sort of rigged together and wired so I can Molex them, or I can run them back to a motherboard header. Currently, I've got a Rosewell power supply here, and this is the Hive series, 750 watt modular. And then I'm waiting on some extension cables for this because I want to put this underneath, and these cables that come with it are a little short, so I'm ordered up some extension cables so I can get the 8-pin extended and the 24-pin so I can mount it underneath. But this board here is just ECS Elite Group A885GM-A2. It's AMD board, if you couldn't tell. I've got I'm only going to run 4 gigs of RAM in it, but I have the capability. I can obviously go to 8 if I want to. I've got SATA 6 gigabit and 2 PCI 16s, so I can do some benching in Crossfire or SLI if I wish. And then right now I've got a tri-core AMD Athlon, but I have some other CPUs that I can swap in and out if I want to test some different scenarios. For the OS, I'm going to be using Windows 7 64, and then I'm going to run it off this Crucial 64 gigabyte SSD for speed, and I may put a hard drive in as well too, depending on what else I decide to do. I might throw a smaller, like a 1 terabyte or a 500 gigabyte hard drive on there to do some other testing if I want to do some more with hard drives. And then here's the RAM. It's Corsair Vengeance DDR3, and the processor actually is an X3 445, so it's a tri-core at 3.1 gigahertz. Probably going to work on an overclock with it as well too, and that way I can do some testing with some different CPU coolers that I have coming up. And then I also am going to do some testing on some graphics cards. Specifically want to learn, bottlenecking, what different CPUs can do to single impaired graphics cards. So I've got some ideas for this. I didn't just jump into this test bench and dump a bunch of money for nothing. So I've got some ideas of some different things I want to try, and kind of go from there. So that is the basics, and I've kind of already let a little sneak peek into what I'm hoping to do with this. Oh, here's my DVD drive. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching it.